Alright guys, welcome to the Wednesday directions video, the last work day of the new unit. Like I said, pretty short unit, but it's got some interesting stories. And I think the video is going to help kind of put you guys in a good timetable. I think you guys are going to realize how close to the Dark Ages Byzantium or the Byzantine Empire actually is. You know, some historians even throw it in with the Dark Ages or the Middle Ages. I've done that in the past. It's kind of in an interesting area where it's part of the Rome era, but it's also a part of the Dark Ages era. So you guys will definitely get a sense of that watching the Ed puzzle video today, which is our only assignment. All right. So there's no watch the Ed puzzle and then do something else. It's just do the Ed puzzle, answer the questions, and once you're done for today. All right. Tomorrow, Thursday, we'll have the review up, so I'll have the flashcards up and ready to go. And then Friday, again, no one's coming to school on Friday. It's kind of a distance learning day. I'll have the quiz posted at like 8 a.m. And your job on Friday is just to take that quiz before 3 p.m. So you got a long day. Just find some time to take the quiz. And obviously it'll be a short quiz too, because we're not talking about a lot of information, which is nice. But that's all I got, guys. Have a good day working. Enjoy the Ed puzzle as much as you can. And I'll talk to you guys the next day.